Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get all 8 free skins in Marvel Rivals. Let's begin. So it says here how to get all 3 Marvel Rivals skins. To get the Superhero Storm, you are going to need 200 Heroic Journey Achievement Points, and it is always available. Then if you want the Star-Lord, you are going to need 400 Heroic Journey Achievement Points, and this one is also always available. Then Spider-Man, you can only get Spider-Man through the PlayStation Store only on PS5, and this one is always available. Then Magneto, you are going to have to watch others play Marvel Rivals on Twitch for at least 4 hours, and that's only available on this date. Then Jeff the Land Shark, you are only going to get him during the Winter Celebration event on this date. Then Penny Parker, you are going to have to go to your PlayStation Plus Essentials bonus only on PS5. Then Moon Knight, you are going to have to get the Seasoned or Gold rank or higher on this date. Then Hela, you're going to need the Season or Battle Pass. Then lastly, Iron Man, you can redeem the code to get Iron Man until this date. So make sure that you do this before this date. And there you go. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.